Let's make stuffed chicken breast. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I have a very exciting recipe for you today. We're starting with a clean chicken breast. Cut a small pocket in your chicken breast with a chef knife. Season the inside with salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. Repeat the process on both sides. Marinate with some green seasoning and put some on the inside of the stuffed chicken, and also add some mozzarella cheese to complete the stuffing. Add some olive oil to a skillet pan or frying pan. Place the chicken in the pan and sear on both sides for 4 minutes. Add a few cubes of butter, a half cup of chicken stock, and 2 bay leaf. Cover with an aluminum foil or a cover and place it in the oven for 8 minutes and continue to cook until it's done. This is what the finished product looks like, and this is my stuffed chicken breast. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please like, share, and subscribe.